Hey everybody, so as you can see, I've changed the background. I already filmed this video once and I had some camera issues, so I'm redoing it today. But I'm really excited for this look, and if you want to see how I get here, stay tuned. As per usual, I went ahead and put some concealer on my eyelids to start out this look. To start out, I'm grabbing my Makeup Revolution Mint Chocolate Palette, and I'm using this shade right here, and that is the shade T, and I'm just placing that right on my brow bone. Next, I'm going to start with this color right here from the Zulu palette, and I'm just going to place that in the area right below my brow bone. Next, I'm going to skip over to my Makeup Revolution Reloaded Division palette, and I'm going to go for this shade right here. And I'm just going to start blending that into my crease. Next, I'm going to go for this color right here on the edge, and I'm going to start blending that a little bit lower just to start darkening this area. Next, I'm going to go ahead with Sugarpill's Midori right here, and I'm going to use that right at the top of this look just to intensify the green. Next, I'm going to jump right back over to my Mint Chocolate palette, and I'm going to grab Poison Ivy, which is right here in the corner. And I'm going to concentrate that on in my crease and moving it out upward. Next, I'm going to jump right back over to the Division palette, and I'm going to go for this blackish color right here in the corner, and I'm going to use that to deepen this lid area and that last bit of green. From there, I'm going to take my NYX eyeshadow base and my domed brush, and I am just going to cut my crease. Now that I have that on, I'm just gonna go ahead and start filling in this lid space. The first color I'm going to use for that is going to be Taco by Sugarpill, and I'm just using a small shader brush. I'm just putting Taco into this inner tear duct area. The next color I'm going to use is going to be Acid Berry by Sugarpill, and I'm just going to lay that color in right next to Taco. From there, I'm gonna go back in to my mint chocolate palette. I'm gonna go grab some more of this Poison Ivy, and I'm gonna use that to blend the edges of my cup. Once blended, I'm gonna go in with a slightly smaller brush, and I am going to darken my edges around the cut a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and repeat this on this eye, and I'll be right back. So now that I have both eyes done, I'm gonna go ahead and do my base, and I'll be right back to finish off these eyes. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish off these eyes. I'm going to smudge some of the Poison Ivy underneath my eyes on the outer third. From there, I am going to take some more of that black eyeshadow from the Division palette, and I'm just going to work that on the inner 2/3 of my eye. Next, I'm going to take Lumi by Sugarpill, and I'm just going to put that on the inner third. And I'm going to work that into the taco that's on the inner corner of my eye.
Now I'm just going in with a simple winged liner to help finish it all off. And I am using my Sephora brand liner for this. Once I'm done with that, I am just gonna go in and add a little bit of extra to my eyes. And I am just gonna use a Sugarpill Electrocute in the shade X Sparkage, and I'm just adding that for a little bit of extra shimmer to the lime green of my eye.
So I went ahead and finished the rest of my face. I just smudged a little bit of eyeshadow underneath my eyes, lined, added mascara, and put on one of my favorite lip combos, and that is my finished look. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, share it with all your friends, and come back next week for another Makeup Friday. Happy Makeup Friday.